AZ Solutions brings you working with the Format Painter. To work with a Format Painter, what you're doing is selecting a cell, applying the formatting that you want first. So for example, you might like to apply some colour, change the font, size, maybe even having a different font. What you then want to do is apply the same formatting again and again and again. What you use is the Format Painter. Select the cell that has the formatting, click the Format Painter twice, make it 2 quick clicks. You'll get the Format Painter icon. As you click over the items, the formatting then is applied to multiple items. You can also drag. When you want to stop, you can either press the Format Painter or hit the Escape key. If you hit the Format Painter once, this will allow you to apply the formatting only once, and then you'll get your normal mouse pointer again. Hopefully this has been helpful to you. If you need any further assistance, you can go to our website or drop us an email.